Hello students and welcome to all of you for this video session number 55. In this session, we are going to discuss successful CRM as well as the failure on the part of CRM from the company side. Students, in the last class, I have thought important topic based on the technology and CRM, how technology has helped CRM and how does CRM will help the business people of today and tomorrow to maintain and retain the present customers. At the same time, customer relationship management also helps the people, in fact, the companies to attract more number of customers from all over the world. ಗ್ರಾಹಕ ಸಂಬಂಧ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಅನುಭವಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ವಹಿವಾಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ವಸ್ತು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ವಹಿವಾಟಿಗೆ ಸದಾ ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. Here we just look at the slide where we are going to start with the important keys of successful CRM. There are certain keys that we need to follow for the efficient as well as successful implementation of CRM. The term CRM not only ends with customer relationship management, it's a very wider term. I would say that because the concept of customer is really very, very essential for every business organization, because customer is undoubtedly the king of the market. Whatever he requires, all those goods and services should be delivered by the offerers. Otherwise, customers have lot of avenues, customers have lot of competitors from there, so they could buy the products in no chance, in no time. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪೈಪೋಟಿದಾರರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ CRM ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, let me discuss certain important successful parameters for the successful implementation of CRM. The first one, choosing the right tool. See, choosing the right tool in the sense selecting the best means of communication through which you can attract the customers. There are different technological aspects are there. You just look at the slide here. There are plenty of options are available. Here, this is how the customers would be attracted towards the company's offerings. SAP Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Customer Data Cloud. This will give you a lot of information. It will definitely help you to chalk out your plans and serve according to the needs of the customers. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಟೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮವನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್. See, understanding the mind of the customer is very important phenomena or the component of customer relationship management. Without understanding the needs of the customer, even if you produce anything, it will be a mere waste. First of all, you should understand what is happening in the minds of customer. You have to study the psychology of the customer. According to their needs only, you are supposed to produce the products. Now, why do most of the people would go for LG company's products? Because LG company has understood very clearly the mind of the customers. As a result, CRM will have a lot of things to be discussed. See, when you do not have a proper CRM strategies, definitely it will become a lot of problems for you. Therefore, you need to maximize a smart CRM tool. Next, here we have some of the important, techniques, or we can say some of the company who follows the best CRM companies, CRM techniques. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ CRM ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Siebel ಅಂತ Amdocs, PeopleSoft, Oracle company follows the very best CRM strategies. As a result of that, these companies have occupied a central place and that has really outsmarted their competitors. eFipani, Pivotal, Kana, eGain, Primos, Quintus, Trilogy, Sumotium, Brightfair, Anusio. So these are the companies who have really adopted and who have set a role model for the others to follow. Now, these companies, they have very clearly understood the mindset of the different pairings of customers. And in accordance with the customers, they produce their different domains. Whatever the products you are producing, see, if you are producing, durable goods, if you are producing, softwares for your mobile phones or, systems, so provide according to the needs of the customers. These are, the important strategies that we people need to understand. Then only your business could be successful. Now, let me tell you and let me explain you some of the important things with the help of this slide. Customer relationship management techniques. See, mind you, every business organizations, if they want to touch the success of CRM, they need to understand these techniques and they have to implement in their domains. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ವಹಿವಾಟು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಜನರು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕೀ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅವರು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Running campaigns, yes, you have to run the campaigns, generate the leads, form a database of the customers, manage the cases, conduct the trainings for your staff with regard to how to contact and interact with the people of the customers, providing the services which are very much required by the staff in order to have a contact with the people through communications, developing the knowledge of the staff. See, you have to give them a training, you have to impart them a knowledge about what company is your all about and how does your company is best and superior in terms of other competitors and what it special offers to the people also you need to understand. Assigning the leads, quality leads, converting the leads, track opportunities, delivery of their products invoices. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ CRM ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡೋದು, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ there are different techniques ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Next, when we look at the slide here, you could see that we come across the CRM cycle. CRM cycle is associated with so many things here: interaction and delivery, acquiring and retaining the customers, understanding and differentiating, develop and customize, cross-sell and upsell. ನೋಡಿ, CRM cycle ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ನಿರಂತರವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸೈಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡೆಲಿವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. For example, you can see that Zomato.com. Zomato has, it has food restaurant. Whatever you want to order, you can order. And the moment when you take your mobile phone and you order, then they are going to tell you that what is the quality and what is the price. Everything they'll give you, interaction and delivery. And the sales boy or the delivery boy will be sent with whatever you have specified. And at your doorstep, you are going to receive all whatever you have ordered. Interactions and delivery is very important. Swiggy, you take in Karnataka, you can take an example. You can order any products through online shopping websites around the world. Acquiring and retailing customers is also a cycle. See, the business of today and tomorrow not only ends with only the sale of the products to the end users. In fact, it actually starts from there onwards. See, suppose for example, if I go to any particular shop, if I'm going to buy any particular product, I'm planning to buy Iowa television. See, once if I buy the product, what happens? I should be motivated to visit again. This is what happens when you are going to follow the best CRM strategy. Acquiring and retaining of the customer plays a very important role. Understanding and differentiating. You have to understand. See, you need to set the difference about what products that you produce is special when the other products are not available. You have to set a difference. For that, you can see four-wheeler examples you take. Honda company, you take an example, and Ford Icon, you can take an example. Hyundai, you take. So each and every time, whenever the company produces and comes out with a new product, they position the products in such a way that very clearly they display the important features that they are coming out that the other company does not have so far. That is how you have to understand and differentiate your products. Developing and customizing. Yes, you have to develop the way you are going to interact and produce the products. At the same time, you have to customize, you have to produce the products according to the taste of the customer. ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ನಾವು CRM ಒಂದು ಸೈಕಲ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಸೆಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳೋದು ಅದು ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು, ಸರಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಡಿಯೋ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಥವಾ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಬೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವ್ನು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ cross selling and upselling, these are very important aspects that we can see a lot of happenings. Next, so even though there are certain important psychological process we have understood, I mean we have discussed, let us take a look at some of the common reasons that the CRM and how to fix the problem. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಲವಾರು ಅಥವಾ ನಾನಾ ಕಾರಣಗಳು ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ನಟ್ಶೆಲ್ some of the important key problems that are being faced even to this date by most of the companies. Not putting the customer at the center. Yes, see, you are completely failure at a very first stage. In a very first stage, you have to put the customer at the center. It means you have to drag the attention of the customer. On the other hand, if you are failing to attract the customer, there itself your CRM will fall down. So you have to attract the customer in such a way that the customers will come and he or she will definitely buy your products. That is the reason only why you are failure in the very first step itself. You are not able to track the customers. You are not able to understand. You are not able to deliver what the customer requires. So that is one important problem. Lack of user adoption. Yes, you do not have proper user adoption strategies, vision. See, when your company is following blindly certain objectives, in the sense it doesn't work out. You should have a predetermined goals. You have to set the objectives. According to those objectives only you have to work out. The groundwork is very much required. You have to have the pre-planned objectives. So according to the objectives only, you can best attract the customers, and you can understand, you can write the mind of, you can read the mind of the customers, you can offer what they want. So these are the things. And again, thinking it's just technology solution. Of course, technology you can make use in attracting the customers in the different ways. See, for example, posting your company's products using different social networking sites. I have told you, YouTube, it may be Instagram, Twitter, things like that. But at the same time, so technology is an important medium. At the same time, the thinking abilities will definitely lies with the human beings. So when a staff is not being properly trained, you know what happens? So the purpose will not be able to succeed. So therefore, this is a very core area where we all need to understand. Next, poor planning. Definitely, we all need to endorse this particular concept. That is, Poor planning is also one of the important thing or area, I would say, where we have to improve a lot. See, when you are falling at a very, you know, birth stage of your CRM strategy, everything goes wrong. When you are not stepping out, when you are not stepping properly, definitely, you know what happens. You are going to land up. You are going to end your journey with a wrong side. No plan evolving. You do not have a plan. See, once if you do not have a proper right plan, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to reach, and even then also there are a lot of chances where your CRM policy will fail. Scope creep, too much all at once. See, you cannot give all information at one stretch. So see that the things could happen at the step by step only. So the things could happen step by step, stage by stage. You cannot overload information. You cannot confuse the customers about the products, companies, things like that. This is how the most of the customers will have to face different, confusions, and they feel a lot of difficulties and understanding and buying the products. You just look at the slide, you will be able to see that listening, understanding, knowing, connecting, all these are the important aspects that we need to improve a lot in the different domains and the areas. See, 30 to 60% of project fails because of these kind of failures. When you deliver the company's offerings, people won't be able to understand. It becomes a waste. On the other hand, you are failure in connecting the important things. Even there also you'll be able to fail. So knowing, connecting, and understanding your customers, these are the different core areas where you are lagging behind. You are not able to success. This is where most of the companies' products would have to face the face of defeat. 30 to 60% of CRM projects fail. Yes, I have told you in the last slide. Companies have faced failure with CRM. See, I'm not talking about the companies, those who are failure only in developing countries or less developing countries like Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and the small countries. But on the other hand, the most superpower nations also had to see the taste of a defeat, especially through CRM. I would best suggest certain companies like, in the countries like America, we have seen certain important things where they could not properly position their products. As a result of that, they had to see the face of defeats. They got a lot of failures in that. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಬರೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಡೆವಲಪಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರನೂ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಕೆನಡಾ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು CRM ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡೋಣ. Hershey's better experience in the sweets market. Yes, failure. They could not survive because of CRM strategy. Biggest disasters ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. American chocolate manufacturer Hershey was facing competition from all sides. Yes, America today, we used to call, in fact, we are calling as a superpower nation, but still it has got a failure in CRM strategy. Chocolate manufacturer, it has failed to adopt the best CRM strategies. That is one such example where we need to learn from the mistakes. BlackBerry's communications breakdown. Yes, BlackBerry is also an utter flop company's products. It's a very, 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 very poor planning strategy adopted. As a result of that, the CRM of BlackBerry has to see the faces of a lot of defeats. Therefore, we need to understand this. British Airways, yes, Twitter fails. Definitely, even the British Airways also had to see the face of failure in CRM adoption strategies. I would suggest the CRM strategies would be successful only in those companies which follows the best tactics. It means it should have a very clear-cut plan. It should have a vision. The staff, those who are associated with CRM in different domains, they should be properly trained. They should be properly taught. They should be having a complete knowledge on what they are going to deal, what are the different types of customers, and how they can catch hold of the customers. So in the basic stages itself, they were not able to come up. As a result of that, by the end, when you are going to see, they are going to land in a very on the path of failure side. That is what we need to understand. You just look at the picture and you'll see that scope, creep on, processing design, user adoption, CRM strategies, failures, project execution. These are the different, parameters where the companies have failed. The companies could not get success as a result of these faulty plannings. And especially this happens with the negligence of all the people those who are associated. So ಗ್ರಾಹಕ ಸಂಬಂಧ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸರಿಯಾದ ಒಂದು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ತೊಂದರೆಗಳ ಒಳಗಾಂಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, so these are the things I just wanted to cover in this class. So I have covered, and yes, of course, in this class I have started off with the session number 55. Let me quickly highlight whatever I have done in this session. I have started off with the keys of successful CRM, and the keys I have thought, that is, choose to write the tool, understanding your customer, keeping conversations going between the teams, leveraging integrations to maximize a smart CRM tool, and to cut down the workload on all your data must be in one centralized place. I have shown you with the help of some of the technologies that is being used as a part and parcel of CRM, and the top companies, those who follows best and most efficient CRM companies. And later on stages also have quoted some of the companies, those who could not adopt the best CRM techniques like BlackBerry, British Airways, Twitter, and American chocolate companies. They could not see the success. And these are the important things that we all need to look out for. These are the core areas we have to improve a lot. And of course, I have told you certain important techniques that we people need to understand, and we have to tailor the needs. We have to set ourselves, we have to tune ourselves, we have to adjust according to the requirements of the people. These are, what we call it as the technique. CRM cycle also I have told you. Cross-selling, upselling, internet delivery, acquiring on all the things. And I have told you the important major problems where we had to face a lot of reasons and problems. We have suffered a lot. Visions, poor planning, no planning, spookery, too much, all these things I have told. Companies, I have just only told you, certain companies, even from the developing, highly developed countries also, we could see all these kind of things. Yes. And the things will have a lot of important things could also be given an importance thing. And these are the important areas where we really had a lot of things to be discussed. Yes. Yes, thank you everyone for your cooperations throughout, for understanding the classes. And I hope that you will be able to understand when you look at these videos. If you have any kind of clarifications, definitely you can feel free to ask and post your questions. And any kind of clarifications, if you want to be done, you can kindly post your comments, and we'll do the things whatever you require. Thank you everyone. I'm winding up the class now here. We shall meet in the upcoming classes. Thank you.